How to send location on WhatsApp. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you on how you can send your location on WhatsApp. So without further ado, let's get started. So right now I am using Android phone. So let me open the WhatsApp app. Yes. And then right here you can choose any right here. You can send your location. Example, I'm gonna send myself. So to send your location here in WhatsApp to your receiver or chatmate, you can click this clip icon right here at beside the camera. So you can click this. Then as you can see right here, we have the location tab or the location option. You can click this and then continue. You just need to allow your WhatsApp or your location. And as you can see right here, you can now send your location to anyone. So, and actually you can scroll down right here and send another location, something like that. You can choose. So, example, I'm gonna send this location. So there you go. As you can see, I just sent my location. And good thing here is, let me click the location again. You can share your live location. Yes, you can click this, then continue. Then you can choose 15 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours. Example, 15 minutes. Let me send this. So there you go. I just send now my current location. This allows my chatmate to track my location wherever I go. So yes, that is basically it, and that's how to send location on WhatsApp. I hope the video was really helpful, and it did help you. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial. See you soon in the next video.